Error 400, also known as bad request, is an HTTP status code that signals a problem with the client's request. When using Cash App, your device sends HTTP requests to Cash App servers. This image shows the typical flow from your device through the internet to the server, which then responds. A proper HTTP request contains specific headers and sometimes a body with data. This diagram shows the components of a valid request. Specifically for Cash App, this means the server couldn't understand the request because of incorrect syntax or invalid data sent by the Cash App on your device. Outdated Cash App versions may contain bugs that cause error 400. To fix this, update to the latest version available. For iOS users, open the App Store, search for Cash App, and tap Update. For Android users, open Google Play Store, search for Cash App, and tap Update. The newest stable version is v5.2.1, released January 2026. Restarting the Cash App is often the simplest fix for temporary glitches causing error 400. By force closing the app completely, you refresh its processes and clear minor errors that may have occurred. Here's how to restart the app in 2 simple steps. First, force close the Cash App completely. On Android devices, navigate to Settings, then Apps, find Cash App, and tap Force Stop. On iOS devices, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and hold to see Open Apps. Then swipe the Cash App away to close it. After force closing, simply reopen the Cash App from your home screen or app drawer. This fresh start often resolves the error 400 issue. Expired session tokens can lead to invalid requests that result in error 400 on Cash App. These tokens authenticate your session with the app's servers, and when they expire, the app sends malformed requests. To fix this, log out of your Cash App account and then log back in. This refreshes your session tokens and can resolve authentication-related error 400 issues. First, tap your profile icon in the top right corner of the app and select the Sign Out option. Then, re-enter your login credentials, your email or phone number and PIN to sign back into Cash App. This will generate fresh session tokens. This simple process refreshes your authentication session and should resolve the error 400 issue related to expired tokens. VPNs and proxies can alter request headers, potentially causing error 400. These tools route your internet traffic through different servers, which may modify the way Cash App sends requests to its servers. To prevent this issue, disable any VPNs or proxies when using Cash App. This ensures your requests are sent directly from your device without modifications that could trigger the error. Cash App has integrated an AI-driven diagnostic tool that proactively detects and resolves common errors, including error 400. This tool, introduced in late 2025, automatically analyzes app behavior and identifies issues before they fully impact users. The AI tool may prompt you to restart the app or clear data automatically, making fixes quick and user-friendly. For example, if an error like 400 occurs, the tool might display a notification on the screen suggesting immediate actions. This proactive approach helps reduce troubleshooting time and improves the overall user experience by minimizing disruptions. During Black Friday 2025, Cash App saw transaction volumes surge 40% year over year. Thousands of users encountered error 400 during peak hours when attempting large transfers. The high traffic overwhelmed servers, causing incomplete requests. Resolutions included clearing the app cache and switching to a stable 5G network, which often fixed the issue instantly by ensuring complete data transmission. This case study underscores the importance of network stability during peak usage periods to avoid request failures.